In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a design in Canva. If you have old, unused, or unnecessary designs taking up space in your Canva account, permanently removing them is a simple process once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from finding your design to moving it into the trash and then deleting it completely so it's no longer stored there. To begin, open Canva and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, go to your Projects section. This is where Canva keeps your saved designs and other content, so it's the best place to find the file you want to remove. Once you're in Projects, locate the design you want to permanently delete. Take a moment here to confirm that it's the correct file, because the first part of the process is moving it out of your active projects and into the trash. When you've found the right design, click on it to open its options, and then choose Move to Trash. After that, stay on the same page and look toward the lower left area of the screen. There you'll see the trash section. Go ahead and open it. This is an important part of the process because moving a design to trash does not permanently delete it right away. It simply places the file in a temporary holding area. Inside the trash, find the same design you just moved. Once you locate it, you have two ways to continue. You can either right-click on the design or click the three dots next to it to open more options. From the menu that appears, select Delete from Trash. Canva will then ask you to confirm the action. When prompted, click Delete from Trash to finish the process. At that point, the design will be permanently deleted. A quick tip before you do this: make sure you no longer need that design, since permanent deletion means it won't remain in the trash for recovery later. If you're cleaning up your account, this is a great way to keep your projects section organized and easier to manage. And that's it. That's how to permanently delete a design in Canva by first moving it to the trash, then removing it from the trash section completely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.